Hello students, myself Ashish Chawla. Today we discuss about the volume of cube and cuboid. First we take about cuboid. This is the shape of a cuboid having length L, breadth B and height h. The volume of cuboid is defined as area of base into height. As see here, the base of the cuboid is nothing but a rectangle. This is the base of a cuboid which is in the shape of a rectangle having length L and breadth B. So the area of base is L into B and its height is h. So the volume of the cuboid is L into B into h. So this is the formula for the volume of a cuboid. Now we discuss about the volume of cube. In cube we know that all the sides are of the same length. Cube is nothing but a cuboid in which length, breadth and height all are of the same dimension. Length is also of a units, breadth is also a unit and height is also of a unit. Length is equals to breadth is equals to height, let's say it be a. The side of a cube is a. So the volume is defined as according we apply the same formula for the cuboid, that is L into B into H. Now we put in place of L I put A, in place of B I again put A, in place of H I put again A. So the volume of the cube is A into A into A, that is A cube. So this is the formula for the volume of cube and cuboid. Now we start with the problems. Now the first problem, the volume, find the volume cube having total surface area of 150 centimeter square. We have to find the volume of a cube whose total surface area is 150 centimeter square. So the solid that is given to us is cube and the side of the cube, that is A, which is, let it be A, and its surface area, total surface area is given to us, that is 6A square, which is equals to 150 centimeter square, that is given to us. Now at 6A square is equals to 150. Now solving this equation, we get A square is equals to 150 divided by 6, that is equals to 25. So as A square is equals to 25, so the value of A is 5, or we can say the side of a cube is of 5 centimeter. Now in this question we have to find the volume of the cube. We know that the volume of cube is defined as side cube, and side we already found, that is A equals to 5. So put A equals to 5 here, 5 cube, and we know that 5 cube is nothing but 125 centimeter cubic. So the volume of cube is 125 centimeter cubic. Now let's do one more problem. The area of adjacent faces, the area of adjacent faces of cuboid are x, y, z square unit. The area of the adjacent faces of a cuboid are x, y, z square unit. Then show that the volume is equals to under root of x into y into z. In this question, we have given a cuboid. Let's first draw the cuboid. Let's say this is a cuboid, and in the question it is given that the area of the adjacent faces are x, y, and z. So let's say the area of this face, let's say the area of this face is x, and the area of this face is y, and the area of this face is z square units. Let us assume that the length of the cuboid is L, breadth of the cuboid is B, and the height of the cuboid is h. So here x is the area of this face. This face is nothing but a rectangle having length L and height h. So its area is x. We can say x is equals to L into h. L into h. Same way, this face having an area y square units, and this is in the shape of a rectangle having breadth b and height h. So its area is b into h. So the value of y is equals to b into h. Now the z is the area of this surface, and this is again in the form of a rectangle having length L and breadth b, having length L and breadth b. So z is equals to L into b. This is the equation number 1, equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Now when we are multiplying these three equations, 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, what we get? We're getting x, y, z on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, what we observe, the length is coming 2 times, breadth is coming 2 times, and the height is coming 2 times. So all are get squared, L square, B square, or H square. So x, y, z is equals to L, B, H the whole square. It can be written like this. X, y, z is equals to L into B into H the whole square. So LBH is nothing but the volume of a cuboid, we know that. So XYZ is equals to V square. So volume of a cuboid is equals to, when you shift the square to the that side, so it gets under root. So V is equals to under root of XYZ. That is, the volume of a cuboid is under root of XYZ, that we have to prove it. So this is a one required result. Now we move to the next.